Hello guys, in this video you are gonna learn how to send unlimited message in Messenger. Let's create a new file in PyCharm. Give whatever name you want. Go to browser and search PyAutoGi. Copy the link. Paste the module in terminal and click enter. It will take some time to install the package. Meanwhile, go and check your girlfriend is online or not in Messenger. Import the module. Open whole loop and give value as true to run the loop infinite number of times. Set PyAutoGi to typewrite and give whatever message you wanna send so many times to your girlfriend, boyfriend. Set PyAutoGi to press enter automatically after typing message. If message goes too fast, it will look unnatural. So let's give some delay between messages so that your boyfriend, girlfriend won't get any doubt. Import time. Set time to sleep for 3 seconds. So for every 3 seconds message will be sent automatically. Before you run the file, make sure your cursor is at the place where you wanna send your message. Let's run the program. This hack is used when you had fight with your boyfriend or girlfriend, and if they want you to say sorry 1,000 times, or if you wanna make them happy by sending love you so many times. Since we are developers, we won't type. We will simply write 4 lines of Python and we will sit and play games.